Cosmetic wheel. Road hazard tire and wheel covers your tires and wheels between the curbs. Cosmetic wheel covers your alloy wheels should you scrape it on a curb. All right, if you've ever been to a fast food restaurant, you may have noticed that as you go through the drive-through, all the curbs are black where people have rubbed their tires and wheels up against the curbs.
Complimentary of Charlotte Peters.
Exactly. You do it this time, we're going to pay to have your wheel fixed. You know, most people when they scratch their wheels, they don't get them fixed, but they do end up paying for those scratches when they trade or sell the car. All right, you won't have to worry about that. We'll fix your wheels for you. Windshield repair. Look, ever had the unfortunate incident to have someone kick something up off the road and crack or star your windshield?
Around here all the time.
Okay, we're going to fix those cracks or stars as long as they're no bigger than $50, and I would encourage you, as soon as it happens, call the 1-800 number because those things spread very quickly, and once they start spreading, they can't be fixed. You'll end up having to pay a deductible to your insurance company to get the windshield replaced, and once you replace a windshield, the car is never the same again. Make no mistake, there'll be wind noise that you didn't have before, there could be leaks that you didn't have before, so you don't want to get your windshield replaced. Windshield repair will help you from having to, or keep you from having to do that if you jump on it quickly.